Well, my dear students, in the last class we are discussed about plastics, right now, and that is the completion of our chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. In this video, I am going to discuss the exercises questions. That is in page number 41 and 42. So, just open your textbook, page number 41. The very first question is like that. Explain why some fibers are synthetic. So I repeat, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. So we have two types of fibers are there. First one is a natural fiber, and the second one is synthetic fibers. So what is meant by natural fibers? Natural fibers means the fibers which are obtained from the animal and plant resources. Right? That is what natural fibers. Synthetic fibers means the fibers which are made by human beings. Made by human beings. That's why synthetic. They are made by humans. Okay na? The next is question is mark the correct answer. Mark the correct answer. So statement is like that. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers. Why? Because this rayon is also a synthetic fiber, but this rayon is different from other synthetic fibers. Why? Because see the options. It has a silk like appearance. Of course, rayon is a synthetic silk. That's why it appears like a appearance, silk like appearance. Next is it is obtained from the wood pulp. So this is the correct answer. So this rayon is made by or manufactured by wood pulps. So this is a synthetic right now. But the raw material for this rayon is a wood pulp. That's why this is a synthetic but differ in the complete other synthetic fibers. Right now. Next, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. In that first one, synthetic fibers are also called as dash or dash fibers. First, synthetic fibers we also called as man-made fibers or artificial fibers. Okay. Next, synthetic fibers are synthesized from the raw materials called. All the synthetic fibers and plastics are made by the raw materials. They are petrochemicals. 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 They are the raw materials for preparing the plastics and synthetic fibers. Okay. Next. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a synthetic fibers is a made by polymers, and then plastic is also a polymer or synthetic fiber. Okay. Next, fourth main question, that is give examples which indicates nylon fibers are very strong. I already discussed about the nylon. These nylon fibers are manufactured by some chemicals, and then coal, air and water, right? These are very much stronger than steel wires. So some examples for this nylon is while climbing the hill climbing, and then parachute ropes are made by this nylon. Next, explain why plastic containers are favored for a storing of food. This plastic has some characteristics. These are non-reactive, that nor corrosion. That's why food materials stored in the plastic containers. Next, explain the differences between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. First, you should write the definitions for the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics as a differences. What is meant by thermoplastics? Which can be softened repeatedly on heating. This is what thermoplastic. Thermosetting plastics means which cannot be softened repeatedly on heating. This is the definitions for thermosetting plastics. The first difference is the definitions. Next is differences. Next is examples. Examples for thermoplastic: pens, next plastic chairs, carry bags, PVCs. These are examples for thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastic examples: electric switches, cooker handles, and then some other plastics. Okay, now these are made by thermosetting plastics. They are the simple differences between the thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. And some other examples, some plastics are there. The thermosetting plastics are fire resistant plastics, but thermoplastics are when we apply the temperature, it will be molded or it will be melted, right? So next question, explain why the following are made by thermosetting plastics. Socket handles and electric plugs, switches, plug boards are made by thermosetting plastics. These materials are thermosetting plastics are a bad conductor of electricity and heat. That's why all these materials made by thermosetting plastics, right? And then categorize the material of the following products into can be recycled or cannot be recycled. Telephone instrument, this telephone instrument is a thermosetting plastics which cannot be recycled. And plastic toys, these plastic toys, carry bags, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls, and plastic chairs. These are some plastic thermoplastics. Thermoplastics are we can be recycled. Thermosetting plastics are we cannot be recycled. So in these examples, cooker handles and then electric switches are the thermosetting plastics. That's why we cannot recycle. Next, ninth question. Rana wants to buy a shirt for summer. Should buy cotton shirt or made from synthetic material? Advise your reasons. Okay, na? During the summer days, we sweat more. That's why we have to purchase the cotton shirts, because these cotton shirts absorbs the sweating, and these cotton shirts have cotton having small pores. This helpful to evaporations. But synthetic cannot absorb the sweat. That's why you have to wear the cotton shirts during a summer days. Okay, na? Next, give a examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. See, students, plastics is non-corrosive. While you put, you can store also chemicals also, right now, and also food also you can store in the plastics, right now. These are non-reactive. That's why we have to store the chemicals and food items in plastics. They are non-corrosive. Next question is, should the handles of bristles of a toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your answer. No, toothbrush handle is made of strong and thermosetting plastics, but bristles is made by thermoplastic. They are soft and flexible. Okay, na? The next, avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment and advise. So from the plastics we can see the so many pollutions in our nature or environment. Because of that, minimize the pollution, we have to minimize the use of plastics. So this is the answer for 12th question. Next question, match the following. So match the term column A correctly with the phrases given in the column B. In the column A we see the polyester, Teflon, rayon and nylon. In B, prepared by wood pulp. Which synthetic fiber made by wood pulp? Already discussed in the last classes. Rayon. Rayon is made by wood pulp. So third A. Next, used for making of parachutes and stockings. So this nylon is used for making of parachutes and stockings. Next, used for making of non-stick wares. Non-stick wares. Teflon plastic. It is a plastics used for the making of cooker handles, like that. Next, polyester. Fabric do not wrinkle easily. So first one get D, and second one get C, and third one get first, and fourth one get second. This is the match the following answers. Next is manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conversion of forests. So while we using the natural fibers, we can use the trees and so other natural fibers. Manufacturing the synthetic fibers, we have to helping the conservation forest means, so we can use minimize the use of natural fibers like trees, plants, and silk, worms. These are all the natural resources right now. Instead of natural resources, we can use the synthetic materials. So we have to conserve right now. Next is describe any activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Your wires, electric wires, shows that this activity right now. And also I am giving the writing notes for this exercise questions also. Okay na? Thank you.